Imagine a place where time itself stops.
Where reality stretches to its breaking point. Spaghettification, perhaps. Stretched to nothing.
A star dies, and gravity becomes absolute.
To an outsif observer, time freezes. But maybe information escapes in radiation. At the center lies a point where physics fails.
Black holes might hide secrets beyond their surface.
Could they be gateways to another universe? We've captured their shadows, proof they exist.
Some are remnants of the universe's birth.
Understanding horizons unlocks the universe's deepest secrets.
Even light itself is trapped.
The event horizon, the ultimate boundary of reality.
What lies beyond? Time's end, or a new beginning?
Near the horizon, even time begins to lose meaning.
Time stretches, seconds turn into lifetimes.
Light spirals inward, trapped forever.
From a distance, the universe seems calm.
But up close, the photon ring burns with lethal energy.
For the falling observer, nothing seems strange.
Equations collapse. The math stops working.
But to everyone else humans, they freeze, fading into darkness.
Matter spirals in at near light speed.
Forces become violent enough to tear atoms apart.
Magnetic fields twist into cosmic whirlpools. Ripples in space-time radiate outward, gravitational waves.
When giants collide, the universe trembles.
Every galaxy, including ours, hides a black hole at its heart.
Supermassive black holes. Millions of suns crushed into one point.
Jets of energy blast thousands of light years into space.
Stars whip around the center at unimaginable speed.
The accretion disk glows hotter than any star. Black holes shape galaxies, sculpting the cosmos.
Einstein predicted this, but even he couldn't see everything.
Two realities emerge, one falling in, one watching from afar.
Does information disappear? Or is it stored on the surface?
Hawking radiation suggests black holes slowly evaporate.
Over trillions of years, even giants fade away.
Some theories hint at exotic matter at the edge of reality.
A tunnel through space, maybe even time.
Supermassive black holes. Millions of suns crushed into one point.
Jets of energy blast thousands of light years into space.
Stars whip around the center at unimaginable speed.
The accretion disk glows hotter than any star.
Black holes shape galaxies, sculpting the cosmos.
Einstein predicted this, but even he couldn't see everything.
Two realities emerge, one falling in, one watching from afar.
Does information disappear? Or is it stored on the surface?
Hawking radiation suggests black holes slowly evaporate.
Over trillions of years, even giants fade away.
Some theories hint at exotic matter at the edge of reality.
A tunnel through space, maybe even time.
Black holes hide everywhere. Silent, invisible, waiting.
The horizon. The ultimate cosmic threshold.
At the edge, light dances, then disappears forever.
Space stretches, shapes distort. Reality bends.
This ring is the last path light can take.
From inside, there's no turning back.
Seconds outside become hours inside the gravity well. Gravity is geometry. Space itself curves downward.
The boundary is silent, but absolute.
Telescopes capture its shadow, not the beast itself.
Matter shreds into pure energy.
The closer you get, the stronger the story.
From far away, everything looks peaceful.
But around the horizon, chaos burns brighter than stars.
Gravity bends the universe like a lens.
Light curves so sharply, it circles the black hole.
One step closer, and physics begins to fall apart.
Turbulence here is stronger than any storm in the universe.
The shadow. Sharp, perfect, unchanging.
Inside, seconds pass. Outside, eternity unfolds.
Gravity here reshapes the sky itself.
Everything moves toward one destiny: collapse.
Over time, black holes grow, feeding on everything they touch.
Quantum rules twist into something unfamiliar.
Some particles hover at the edge, forever trapped.
Gravity reaches far, dragging galaxies into its pull. Jets erupt with more power than entire galaxies.
Step by step.
Here, every atom fights a losing battle against gravity. Time stretches, seconds become hours. Reality bends.
Even light, the fastest thing in the universe, struggles to escape.
Matter heats to millions of degrees, glowing like a cosmic furnace.
One touch, and the laws of physics shift forever. Two perspectives, two realities, one cosmic mystery.
Here, atoms tear, particles split, energy escapes.
From afar, it looks silent. Up close, it's chaos. This boundary is final, but not simple.
Stars, planets, dust, all meet the same fate.
Even our strongest equations fall apart here.
Quantum rules whisper secrets we still can't decode.
Step closer, and the universe itself starts to unravel.
Here, magnetic fields twist with unimaginable power.
Jets that outshine entire galaxies erupt from its poles.
Here, reality bends until it can bend no more.
The photon sphere, where light orbits like a trapped prisoner. Tiny quantum sparks dance at the edge of oblivion.
Seconds before fate, matter spins at near light speed.
No force in the universe can pull stronger than this.
Stars are torn apart, ripped into cosmic ribbons. Whole solar systems dance around this invisible monster.
The boundary looks calm, but it's violently active.
This is the point where space collapses into pure darkness.
Every angle reveals the same truth. Nothing escapes.
Dust, gas, and light. Everything is dragged toward the inevitable.
A star bends, twisted by gravity, like melting metal.
Time here isn't destroyed. It's reshaped beyond meaning.
Gravity curves space into a pit deeper than imagination. A silent giant, spinning with unstoppable force.
The disk burns with the fury of 1 trillion suns.
The boundary isn't solid. It ripples with quantum tremors.
Light loses its path, twisting into impossible shapes.
This glow, the last sign of matter before its final fall.
Our laws break here, and new ones wait to be discovered.
At the heart of galaxies, these giants shape everything.
Quantum sparks flare, tiny battles of creation and destruction. Here, even light panics, scattering in unpredictable ways. The fabric of reality folds, pulled by an inescapable force.
Chaos dances gracefully, drawn by gravity's silent command.
Closer to the horizon, identity begins to blur.
A dying star, giving its final light to darkness. Energy erupts as matter is shredded at atomic scales.
Everything falls. Nothing returns.
This ring, the last scream of light.
Equations crumble, revealing the limits of our understanding.
Even starlight bends in surrender.
Like a whirlpool in space, everything spirals toward infinity.
The smallest vibrations here hold the universe's biggest secrets.
Matter fades, crossing the one-way boundary.
We now drift at the doorstep of the deepest mystery in the cosmos.
Light writes symbols of infinity as it loops endlessly.
On this fiery platform, matter screams before silence.
Particles flicker away, erased from existence. A cosmic pulse, steady, unstoppable.
Even the smallest dust meets its end here.
Gravity bends the night sky into surreal illusions.
Chaos intensifies the closer we drift.
Every angle reveals a new layer of mystery.
Matter plummets faster than imagination allows. A golden ring marking the universe's final boundary.
We stand above the abyss, staring into pure unknown.
Energy flares, a final scream of matter before silence.
Light slows, trapped on the edge of forever.
Time warps. What takes minutes here could be years outside. A lonely particle spirals toward its final destination.
Gravity twists geometry into impossible curves.
Even the horizon ripples, alive with unimaginable energy.
A darkness that expands, swallowing everything in its path.
When giants collide, space-time ripples across the cosmos.
The universe itself trembles under their impact.
A halo of fire marks the final frontier.
Speed increases beyond measure, beyond physics.
Faraway galaxies twist like dreams in its reflection.
The universe draws a line here, the point of no return. Some light never escapes, trapped in an eternal orbit.
Space-time twists into threads, unraveling reality itself.
The horizon isn't smooth. It's alive with quantum turbulence.
Tiny sparks escape, the universe's slow reclamation of a black hole.
A star meets its end in a violent tidal tear.
Inside the disk, temperatures soar into unimaginable extremes.
Time loses meaning here, stretching into near infinity.
Light bends, obeying rules no longer familiar to us. Invisible ripples carry the story of cosmic violence.
A crimson glow marks the boundary of impossible gravity.
From afar, it looks peaceful, a deception of cosmic scale. Gravity splits distant galaxies into mirrored illusions.
The horizon pulses, as if the dark heart of the cosmos beats. Step by step, we approach the universe's most forbidden line.
Even machines tremble here, pushed to limits beyond design.
Time shatters into fragments, losing all meaning.
Space itself ripples, responding like a living ocean.
We cross layers of plasma hotter than 1,000 suns.
Light spins downward, caught in a gravitational spiral.
The boundary fills our view, an endless ring of darkness.
A flare erupts, its final cry, before gravity devours it.
Gravity distorts starlight, rewriting the night sky.
Energy waves ripple through the accretion disk like cosmic shock waves.
Every angle reveals a new distortion, a new impossibility.
At the smallest scales, chaos rules without mercy.
A star, flashing its final signal before surrendering. Here, even the fabric of reality collapses into spirals.
Light becomes a ribbon, stretched, bent, unwound.
Plasma storms rage, sculpted by unstoppable gravity.
The horizon itself waves like a cosmic heartbeat.
Matter is stripped down to its smallest pieces.
The fall feels endless, time stretching with every second.
Gravity choreographs the universe into spiraling motion.
Even worlds crumble here, shattered by tidal forces.
Colors shift with heat, signatures of extreme energy.
From high above, the void looks calm, hiding its violent truth.
A dust storm of cosmic scale swirls endlessly toward darkness.
Light thins into threads, stretched toward infinity.
Invisible waves ripple through the universe, trembling distant stars. Even galaxies bend, reshaped by unstoppable gravity.
We dive along the fiery ring, racing energy in its final orbit. At quantum scales, the horizon flickers, alive with uncertainty.
Enormous jets fire from its poles, energy escaping the madness. Two titans collide, reshaping space across billions of light years.
Even the tiniest particle cannot resist its pull.
A waterfall of light cascades into the abyss.
Reality folds like paper, gravity bending its very blueprint.
We approach the threshold.
Space narrows into a tunnel, guiding us toward the final edge.
Light curves so dramatically it seems to break its own rules.
Space-time trembles, its laws failing under impossible stress.
Plasma surges like tidal waves of fire.
Dust spirals downward, drawn by a force older than time. The shadow widens, a silent reminder of what awaits. Even stars obey the chaos, dancing in distorted orbits. Electric arcs dance along the disk, a storm forged in gravity. Jets of pure energy fire outward, escaping the abyss's grip.
Reflections fold into reflections, an infinite hall of gravity's illusions.
Time here moves differently. Stars age in moments.
Space bends around us, forming pockets of warped reality. We approach closer than ever, standing at the very edge of reality. Matter stretches thin, pulled into a cosmic thread. This is the closest any eye can ever see.
Even light loses its freedom here, dragged into eternity.
Time bends, stretches, and warps, becoming unrecognizable. Anything crossing this boundary is stretched beyond imagination.
Radiation bursts around the edge, Hawking's whisper of escape.
When giants collide, space-time itself rings like a cosmic bell.
These ripples travel across the universe, revealing the link.
The glow fades, swallowed by a darkness no light can escape.
Yet beyond the void, the universe stretches endlessly outward.
Every galaxy may hide thousands of these invisible titans.
On the quantum level, reality flickers in unpredictable bursts.
The horizon itself may vibrate, echoing the secrets within.
We hover above a storm of fire and gravity, the last stop before nothingness. Particles race at near light speed, locked in an eternal orbit.
Constellations twist, reshaped by gravity's invisible hand.
From its poles, jets erupt, firing energy across galaxies.
Yet in the grand scale, even a black hole is just a speck.
Time races forward outside, while slowing to nothing within.
Its core collapses inward, birthing a gravity well with no exit. Space itself bends like stretched fabric, pulled to its breaking point.
From a shipple's window, the horizon appears frozen, yet endlessly shifting. Light loops again and again, trapped in endless orbit.
Inside and outside witnesses experience time completely differently.
Matter spirals inward, its fate written in gravity's script.
Quantum particles flicker, appearing where they shouldn't exist at all.
Some theories say the horizon behaves like a living surface. From above, it resembles a cosmic storm.